Hi everyone, this is the view on the CC Lex bridge. So we're going to Moalboal. That's the plan.
Just me and my darling wants to go there.
Just the two of us. We'll just have a relaxing outing.
Relaxing.
And as you can see, there's not a lot of traffic here on the CC Lex bridge. It's a toll road, so that might scare some people off. Well, it was 100 peso, right?
Yeah.
We're approaching the bridge now, the elevated part of the CC Lex road. Over there to the left you can see the, I think that's, is that a new store already?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
That's the new store.
Okay, there's the bridge ahead of us.
Oh my god, you just drive crazy.
Yeah, they drive quite fast here since there's not a lot of traffic. If you want, you can really speed up. Not sure whether that's allowed. Let me see if I can give you a view.
I'm
To
just
the right.
driving 60, 65 or 80.
Okay,
I don't drive very fast.
over there, a bit of an overview of the city of Cebu. And at the end of this road, we will continue our way to Karkar. From there, I think we need to cut to the other side of the island, to the other side of Cebu, and then we're already quite near to Moalboal. We'll keep you posted.
So, ako na naman nag-vlog ngayon. Malapit na kami sa Moalboal. It's about maybe 30 more minutes. Nasa Moalboal na tayo. Si sa akin naman yung nag-drive.
Near the beach.
Yeah. Nag-change kami. Mga isang oras na lang kasi nagamit kami Google Maps. Google Map. Sabi ko sa niya, ikaw na naman mag-drive kasi ihing-ihi ako ba. Pero may naman kami, no? Dalang arinola sa sakyanan. May dala-dala yung isang sasakyan namin. May arinola din, ito din. Kasi, syempre, pag mahi tayo, dapat may arinola. So, malapit na tayo sa Moalboal. Sana hindi magulan mamaya. Maybe they're in the Hokkaido too. So, nandito na kami sa hotel namin sa Moalboal. So, room tour na naman tayo dito sa ating parang sa Moalboal. Ano siya? Modern, neat. No, neat, right? Because this hotel are quite new.
I think it's just 2 years old.
Yeah.
From 2023.
Yeah, malapit lang siya sa ano. It's near Gaisano, Moalboal. It's very accessible, no? And then, the toilet and there. Yan lang. Tapos, dito. Tapos, yung damit ni Saki. Hinangar ko na dyan. Tapos, yung pauti din natin, no? Tapos, yung pa. Tapos, may papudehan dito. Nilagay ko na dyan. Yung damit namin, pang ano yan, 2 nights kay. Na next day, mag-uwi na kami at mag-check-in din kami sa ibang hotel. Tapos dito, ito yung likod. Kasagingan. Kalibunan ba? Ano ba yan siya? Prutas? Pabayang lang, hindi ko alam. So, yan yung likod. Sabi ng babae, maingay daw dito. May mga bird, may mga manok pag umaga. So, ito yung hallway ng parong. Hindi ka din maglaba ba? Kasi may hangiranan sila. Tapos, yung swimming pool nila. Nakarating sa ano, yung hotel nila is 4-star. Pero para namang pang 3 star. Hindi ko alam. Buwang. Walang masyadong amenities. Uy! Saan ni siya? Maguwat man. Hindi naman ang munaon. Fragma is the shuttle is done. Free ano sila? Free ride. That one. Free na sweet. Have you had the auto slot ka daan?
Yeah. Want to check?
Yeah, kijk maar.
Double check.
Kuya, ang panagsama na mga restaurant dyan, no? Tapos ang bad yan, White Beach na speakers, no?
Sa bidra, sa dako.
The hotel. So, we have free bus going there. Oh, we have all the space.
Yeah, nice.
So, we'll tour you around and Malboal.
Yeah, you're my guide.
Yeah, I've been here, I think 3-4 times. But it
How
was
many
long
times?
time.
I
3-4
thought
times.
twice.
No. I went there with the other. I went there the other also and the other, so
Ah, you're a seasoned traveler.
season trouble. Nagpunta na ako dito last time, yung ano ko ba, sa yung ex ko na ano, Swedish.
Let's see if you remember anything.
I think so.
For me, it's my first time.
Kami lang ang sakay sa ano, parang bus o ano, jeep ba? Yung maliit na ano. So, nandito na tayo sa Moalboal. Lalakad kami papuntang panagsama-sama. Papunta doon sa yung may malapit na ano. So, they have more they have more hostel. Daming restaurant dito. Oh. Nice restaurant, small, cute. Okay. This is to Phil restaurant. My Greek Taberna. You didn't see that?
Yeah. No, that's not a good.
My Greek Taberna. Oh, kijk pumpkin. Kijk. Nakita kami yung Greek restaurant dito eh. We can proberen deze kiros. Ja, ik durk misschien niet zo lekker, maar je moet alleen de kip.
Ja, dat is waar. Ja. Denk je. Nou, kijk deze. Dit is op zich heel lekker, maar I don't know about the meat, you know.
Ja,
Want dat zijn die gehaktballetjes.
it's nice
hè?
to. Open na mo? Dito kami sa Panagsama Beach.
Nice little
Yeah.
alley.
Yeah, they have that a lot.
Oh.
You can do that because the beach is just one for free. You can just go there and then go on your foot. So, ganito dito sa mga Alboal Panagsama. Ano na, mga 4 times na ako nakapunta dito. Si Saki. First time niya. Then, siya talaga may gusto magpunta dito kasi I think noon, sabi ko sa kanya magpunta kami dito. No, before I told you before we should come here because you haven't been here but you don't like to come here. No? Because it's tiring ride and now, you like it?
Yeah, I'm glad I'm here.
Oh, they have also that sige, salamat kuya. It's just a small road. Walking. Noon, ano? If I compare it before and now, there's more restaurant now.
Yeah.
But the road's still the same.
Yeah, but all in all, there's been a lot of development, or like some development.
Yeah, some store. Some more hotel. Yeah, more store, more restaurant, but yung daan hindi pa din sinemento. It's more on diving. If you like diving or snorkeling, island hopping. Ang daming tao nag-snorkeling. Very good dito kay Kyrie, madami kang magkita na isda. Chill bar. Yeah, it's more for snorkeling, diving. But chill bar. Oh. Yeah. This one is new. I haven't seen that for. You can just go to the sea. Oh.
But this part
See that small ball underwater. There's so much turtle there. Kamadar, vayana da kuan da to. So, ito yung na-stayan ko noon ay para siyang isang house yan ay. Yung ano ko, yung ex na Swedish ko. Char. Naalala pa natin yung ex natin na Swedish. My God, I remember him, man.
you still have fond memories.
Yeah. Just fun. No bad memories.
Would like to go back in time.
No, I want to be with my darling.
Do it all over again.
Buang. Kaluoy po. So, bahan just like that. And the white bit is in the under. Oh. Balik na kami. Barbecue. We try barbecue there also.
But there's still a lot.
Balik na kami. Balik na kami sa hotel. Sa labas. May puwan dito. Ayan. Kiros. Oh, kainin ko. Kaya kinain namin kunti lang. Pinakain ko lahat kaysa kunti lang kinain ko. Ito, binili ko sa 7-Eleven tubig at saka 0% beef. Una ako dito. Stretch ko yung legs ko. Kaya ano ba? Nanghuy sa kakadrive. Nag-drive kasi ako 2 hours. Tapos 1 hour siya sa akin. Tiring, no? My legs a bit tired. Bit shaky to drive. Si April mas sanay siya mag-drive na long drive. Ako hindi. But driving is very tiring. No? Yeah, that's why. That's why I would like rather come April so she could drive. Si April kasi masanay mag-drive long drive. Ako hindi. Madali ako mapagod. Enjoy your beer.
Thank you.
I bought it. No alcohol.
Yeah.
Cheers! Cheers!
Good thing.
Cheers! My nature spring. Relax kami dito muna. Tapos yung room namin ay
non-alcoholic.
You can also wash your clothes because they have something here.
Ah, I can dry it here.
Yeah,
I put it to dry. I put it out to dry.
that's very handy, no? Na,
Hang it to dry.
I think we're the only net fulfillments and walang masyadong tao dito. That's good. It's quiet. Ah, that's why the girl gave us the AirPod. Because there's chicken. Yeah. In the morning also chicken are very noisy. Relax. Tapos dinala ko yung iPad ko kaya dito ako nalilibig. Stretch yung legs ko kaya nanghuwi pa din yung legs ko bas kapag-dry. Tapos kasi bukas ako naman mag-dry pa ulit. Siguro sa mga hapon sa akin. Mag-change kami. Tapos pagkatapos na mag-edit, shower ako. Pero hindi na ako maligo ng buhok ko. Lang hapon. At yung kilay ko, pag hindi siya nag-lighten yung kilay ko, kulayan ko yung buhok ko ng siguro mga dark brown, ganyan, para magka-match yung kilay ko at saka yung buhok ko. Kasi pangit siya tingnan, black yung kilay ko, tapos yung buhok ko, iba yung kulay. Pangit siya tingnan. So, hindi siya bumagay. So, yun na siguro yung pa-vlog natin today. Kung hindi pa kayo nakapunta ng Mualboal. So, ganun yung pa-view ng Mualboal. Very simple lang. It's more, here, it's more mag-travel dito is more for like snorkeling, island hopping, or dive, snorkeling, island hopping, tapos diving, kasi dito yung Mualboal, no? Ang diving area ba? Madaming nagda-dive dito. So, parang ganyan siya. Wala siyang madaming mga bigger hotels. Last time nung nagpunta ako dito, very matagal na yun sa ex ko. Hindi pa masyadong madami yung restaurant. Ngayon madami na, pero wala pa din siyang mga malalaki bitaw tong building, wala pa siya. Mostly yung tourist ngayon nakikita ko is mga Korean. Doon din sa Bohol nung nag-tour kami, Korean din. So I think that's all for today's video. Inaantok ko ba? Kasi inaantok ako sa pagod siguro, tapos maga akong gumising doon kanina kasi pupunta dito. So bukas, mag-uwi na tayo. So thank you so much for watching. Ano naman kung saan tayo bukas kasi mag-check-in naman kami ng another hotel. So thank you so much for watching. Bye! See you again next time. Ang laki na arms ko dyan.